Red flags, warning signs. Followings are some of the signs that should alert you. If you see that someone is promising 100% guaranteed results, probably they will Photoshop the visa or documents for you, because there is no 100% guarantee working with the government. If your representative doesn't give you a written contract, retainer, or any copy to you, your representative doesn't give you a copy of the submissions or the completed application forms, the representative doesn't have direct communication with IRCC and only communicates through a third party. If your representative is commissioning someone else to do the job without your express approval, if your representative advertises their services as free and then later asks you to give them a certain amount of money for expenses, application fees, arrangements with an immigration officer, courier, etc. If your representative tells you to lie on your application, otherwise your application is weak and will be rejected. If your representative tells you they will create a compelling case for you regardless of your actual situation. If you see an ad or business card which doesn't include the name of the authorized representative. If you see any of the above-mentioned signs working with an immigration lawyer or a consultant, stop and try to protect yourself from immigration fraud. I will suggest you a few protection strategies in the next video.